They need him in one piece and able to talk.
頭髮我就放過你而家。喐佢！
He's done. We got him in custody.
My man Wayne, you done good. You restored order to the night market.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see. You know anything about the minibus racket?
Same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, you pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog Eyes won't. Right now it's his route. But you know how to deal with it, huh?
It'll be my fucking pleasure.
I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up.
Let's go.
What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Look what you doing, Wayne?
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of Little Blood?
Dog Eyes' son on Yi. We're taking the route, not declaring war.
Kicking ass is fine by me. I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass. Who are you?
喂，我諗緊 how come we're going after Dog Eyes? Shouldn't we be fighting 18K?
Dog Guy came after us? This is payback. Plain and simple.
What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile Lee? What if he sends Mr. Tong after us?
Look, dude. Dog Eyes might work for Lee, but Winston answers directly to Uncle Tong. Nobody's going to fuck with the chairman. Nobody.
Hey, you haven't paid. If you stop, we'll beat you.
This is our stop now.
Alright, you do with your fist. I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone, see? So now we know how to spot a rat.
You Tucker, you know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right? When Tong is done with them, he buries them alive, 6 feet under. Nobody coming for you.
Hey, fuck you, Conroy.
I still think about that poor fucker sometimes.
Let's go.
No, you stay here. I'll deal with this. Watch how a real man does it.
Son of a bitch.
You better get them!
Hey, you. You want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid, dog eyes.
Belongs to Winston now.
Winston? I don't know no Winston.
Pull over and I'll tell you.
Okay, I'm going.
Get out of here. I'm taking your passengers.
Okay.
啊，你估發生咩事啊嗱？
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change. Don't worry, people. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
我好忙㗎，你知唔知塞一塞我冇咗幾多錢啊？
This is Dog Eyes World. 你老味！
哇！要做乜嘢啊？
Hang on.
You can't drive this world.
Who the hell are these guys?
Mistaken identity, people. Don't panic.
Let me off! I don't want to be a statistic.
Don't worry.
唔係有咩事啊嘛？唔好嚇我啊！我做咗咩？有啲咁嘅報應啊！
Get out of this world. Where are the police?
Just relax.
Are you on drugs?
The real bus driver never drives like this.
Here we are, people.
This was probably the most exciting thing that happened all week. You're not driving the Simsang train route, are you? Would you like some ice cream?
Maybe we should just get a cab. It costs too much. I hate it.
Ice cream. Better pay for the cute customer.
Oh my God! You wear that in public? Get in here. I help you out.
Hey! Oh, Hollywood movies!
Ah, yeah. I am counting down the days to retirement. My wife nags me to quit every day. But my stock is so good, I just can't give it up. You buy everything I have, you make her very happy. Product placement at its finest. Oh, that's a good look. I know a lot of girls who are into that look. A couple of boys, too, come to think of it. The outfit suggests a name for you, but I just can't think of it.
Hey, big man, you want
Hey, CDs! All the best CDs here!
喂，大家買嚟睇下。
Lucy, Ray, Swish it!
Best you see on the street right here.
What do you want?
Mrs. Chu suggested I talk to you. She a friend of mine. I need a favor.
What do you need?
My husband is in the hospital and I can't pay the bills. The only thing we have of any value is our car.
You want to sell it?
No, I want you to run it in the harbor. Our insurance is really good.
Okay.
special supplier?
Hey.
Oh, come on! How can you with this quality clothes like this?
You want good clothes for less? I got special deal. Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you? I got special deal for you.
Hey, man! Hey! Come take a look!
Hey, big man, you want some new clothes?
Hey, what can I do for you? Here.
That doesn't look good.
I found one of your statues.
The sheep. This is good. I promised myself I wouldn't train members of the Triads anymore. Not good for one's karma.
What makes you think I'm in the Triads?
Don't lie to me. If there are things you can't reveal, don't. But never lie.
How do we talk about the things I can't reveal?
You don't need to. I knew you well once. I don't believe people change that much.
I appreciate your faith.
What would you like to learn? Weak. Have you learned nothing? Have you forgotten everything? Your left wing. Other left wing. Someone please swing. Left. Right. Oh, that's awful. Calling. Abysmal. Please stop by again if you find one of my statues.
Hey, mister. You got a moment?
Yeah, sure. What's going on?
Do you think this shirt is too tight? That will teach you to be a pervert. Run, Gibson, run!
嗰條冚家產啊！你條仆街妖仔！喂 ，get over here now.
What's going on, Winston?
It's Benny, manager of Club Bam Bam, old friend of mine. Now he's working for Dog Eyes. That Hamgatan is getting back at us for taking his minibus route.
Look, I'll go talk to Benny, make him see reason.
Yeah, wait, you go do that.
Another thing, keep that low-life boy away from our house. You want to live in the bring it home with you. Benny is really pushy. He's a pig. I can tell him listening. Yes.
Are you gonna let me in?
What do you think you're doing?
I got a message from Dog Eyes. You want to tell him you sent me away?
Dog Eyes? Oh, sorry, of course. Come on in, sir.
I had no idea my boss was that kind of guy. I mean, he's one bad dude.
Hey, buddy. VIPs only.
What's going on in there?
This is one of the best karaoke rooms in the city. Nobody gets in without a hostess or the boss's approval.
I'm sure we can work something out.
Work something out with the hostess.
Whoa, damn. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Tiffany. Nice to meet you.
I'm Wei. Wei Shen. You're a karaoke hostess, right? Can you get me into the VIP room?
Sure. Just come with me. You have a bit of an accent. Are you from around here?
Yeah, originally, but, I was in the States for a long time.
Oh, that's so cool. I always wanted to go.
So, what's Benny like?
Benny? You mean the manager?
Yeah.
Benny's nice enough. He always makes sure you get paid on time.
That's good. So, who does he rely on for protection?
Let's go sing. Come on. Sing me a song. Really good.
Listen, I like it down here, but back home, I'm used to a little more. You'd be the person I'd talk to about that, right? Can I get a VIP room?
Yes, of course. It's much nicer up there. Go ahead to the lounge upstairs. I'll get the room set up.
See you soon.
My way.
Oh, hey. Who the fuck are you?
I'm looking for Benny.
Hey, Benny.
Yeah.
Some guy here wants to talk to you.
Hey, what can I do for you?
I have a message from an old friend, Winston Chu.
Winston? Well, this isn't such a good idea. I think you should leave.
He wants you to know that Dog Eyes isn't your problem anymore. If he gives you any trouble, you let Winston know, and I'll take care of it, personally.
You heard that, man. Get the fuck out of here.
Everybody out of the club!
Benny, get the fuck out here! Benny, I know you're in there!
嚟啦，仆街！
I learned the game, I know what I want, and I'm in it. The time is now, it's gonna be up in a minute. I look a new day, I got 10 minutes. These fake rappers get by with these hella gimmicks. They act like it's all love, all the love is your money. So when it's over, nigga, all you is a more dummy. I'm neither, but I've been hot so long, it feels like I got a lifetime fever. I don't gotta spit, I can call for still need you. Rap, I make millions. I'm a man first, tired of punching, so I'm a cause my hands hurt. God is great, God just face. One hand wash the other, both wash the face.
Wrong move! 仆街！ 我打都爆你頭啊！哇！放開手，有事慢慢講啦。你真係走啊！
Relax, Benny. I'm not gonna kill you.
Okay.
Just listen.
Okay. What do you want?
Just what I said. Winston wants to be your friend.
And what about Dog Eyes?
Not your problem.
I hope you're right. For my sake. Can I go now?
Of course you can, Benny.